Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Whoa, this Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another little smooth POV. We downtown, it's like 1 a.m. downtown in the Scat pack. The city really beautiful for real. Niggas just gotta appreciate it. Damn, what the f is that? It's a big ass roach. But yeah, we really finna just hit the road type shit. See what the hell we get into. Ain't finna be doing nothing too crazy because 12 is hot downtown, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm still gonna pop the video for y'all niggas, man. But y'all, I appreciate y'all boys for showing love to this channel though. This shit done grew a lot in a couple of weeks. But shit, we finna go ahead and get started.
Better act like you know. I got a Glock with a 16 low. This stendo caught him at this stove. He was just flexing hard with a foot of the rest go. Nigga ain't really on shit though. I'm pulling up with that Drake, make a fuck nigga get low.
I ain't gonna lie, comment down below what type of other videos y'all wanna see. I definitely pump them bitches out. Turn my hazards off, my fault. Driving downtown, man, this shit just made everything 10 times louder. I love this shit, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all don't know how bad I just wanna fuck these streets up, bruh. But I can't give my full energy, bruh. 12 gonna be on my ass. And I already know the audio ain't gonna do this shit justice how loud this shit truly is. But just know this shit loud as fuck. God damn. Niggas just walking in the middle of the street. Damn! Be careful. 12 would definitely geek to catch a nigga like me down here slipping. I gotta comment down below y'all dream car though. For me, my affordable dream car would definitely be a Hellcat. And after that, I don't know what it would be. Probably like McLaren P1, but that's obviously not affordable. You know what I'm saying? McLaren P1. Another affordable one, C7 Z06. Another one, Trackhawk. M4 Comp. Really them four right there that I want. That's what I'm stuck in between on buying next, but I'm probably gonna end up going Hellcat. I gotta complete this skill tree before I branch off to another one, you feel me? Like, bro, what is you double tapping the brakes for, bro? That's why I be talking about. Let me turn right here, actually. I barely know my way around downtown, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, there go 12. Roll my fucking window up. This nigga do not need to see this camera on my fucking face. Ah shit, he just turned out. Fuck. This nigga better not light my ass up, bruh. Niggas ain't even do nothing the whole time. Damn, it's about 10 cops down here. Oh, this nigga following me. No. Bro, it's like it's enough going on for y'all niggas. Thank you. Thank you. He going to that crime. You niggas solved that crime, bro. It's enough shit to be going on for you niggas to be worried about a loud car. Thank you, Jesus. I gotta pull off nice and slow for that nigga to decide to hop on my ass. Pause. Bro, everywhere I look, I just see blue fucking lights, bro. Let me go this way, somewhere I know where I'm actually at. Oh shit, I gotta get over it. I can barely see with this damn light on. Turn this shit off. God damn! What are you doing? One thing you could count on STOLN SRT to do is pat that bitch, boy. Shit, wrong way. Safe and sound to the other side of downtown. This is the side I'm more familiar with than the other shit we was just at, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, this shit'll never get old, bro. Where would I be without my screaming V8? Where would I be without my 500 horsepower screaming V8? Bro, every headlight look like a cop right now, bro. I'm on 10. I'm on 10, ready to push that bitch if I gotta go. I'm lying, by the way. I don't condone running. Just pull over, take your ticket, bro. It ain't worth your life. One thing my homeboy had told me, like as a critique on my videos, I gotta work on like talking more. I don't be having shit to say for real on the videos where I be cutting up and shit. Like video like this, like I can talk more. But like the last video I just dropped, the one with the C6 and shit, like I was real focused, so I ain't really have much to say. But this one I'm trying to think of more shit to talk about for real. Like I said earlier though, def comment some more POV ideas that y'all want to see me do. Cause I'm def down to do anything, you feel me? over, shawty. Yeah, I feel like on this side of downtown, it don't be as much cops, cause like ain't shit really be going on over here. Just chill shit for real. So I need to stay somewhere over here. Nah, this shit crazy. Make sure y'all boys sub up if y'all watching this shit too. This shit light the motherfucking block up, boy. Bro, this random ass light, couldn't even see that shit. I love them little pops that my car be doing. That shit's so satisfying. Oh wait, no, I gotta go through this tunnel. Nah, y'all good, y'all good. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. You good, you good. Oh shit, it was definitely a car there. You good, man. Definitely gotta go through this tunnel. God. A nigga is dogging the streets. That shit would genuinely not get old to me, bruh. I'm ready for a wine to be added to that motherfucker too. Yeah, that nigga behind me lights bright as shit. I definitely like this side more. I ain't seen a cop since I got over here. Also, man, another piece of motivation. Just know success without God means nothing. Like, if you're not praying for what you want, if you're not working daily, working hard to get what you want, it's not gonna mean nothing when you get it, because you probably just gonna lose it right then and there. You trust me when I say you gotta have God in whatever you're planning on doing. He gonna put the last pieces together that you need. I promise you. He done proved time and time again that shit to me. You feel me? So make sure y'all try to build y'all relationship with God. You feel me? It's gonna get you far. I promise you. The more you abuse your car, the stronger it get. You feel me? I ain't gonna hit the gas. That dog right there. Stole SRT for the animals. You feel me? Is that same Scat pack? Nah, that might be an RT. Oh yeah, that nigga on bullshit too. Whoa, this bitch. Fuck, bruh. Damn.
Hold on, bro, I got
Alright. Alright. Shit, where can we go? Damn. I just got rear-ended, bro. Fuck. Over here. Damn, bro. Damn. They don't caught this shit on camera, what? What the fuck?